Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make crispy potato pepper fry with just 2 spoons of oil. It's very delicious and it takes only 10 minutes. Let's start cooking. I've taken 3 medium-sized potatoes with skin, cut into bite-sized cubes. Add 3 cups of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Let it boil for 7 to 8 minutes or until it's done 3/4. The potatoes are done. Strain the water. In a small frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. Add according to your taste. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Add a teaspoon of jeera, it's also called cumin seeds. Dry roast all these 3 ingredients on medium heat for a minute. Crush the roasted ingredients coarsely and keep it aside. In a wide pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Wait for it to get hot. Add the boiled potatoes. Roast the potatoes on low heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. Turn them occasionally. Add few curry leaves and the crushed ingredients. It gives you a nice taste and aroma when you bite on it. Grate some fresh ginger. Add salt if needed. Now mix again one more time. Potatoes are nicely roasted and crunchy. It looks yummy. Try this recipe at home. Share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon as well. We'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!